I'll be showing you guys how to delete all your TikTok videos at once. So for you to do this, it's very simple, guys. Just come over to where your profile is. So once you're in your profile like this, the first way to go about it is the usual way, which is deleting them one by one by clicking on these three dots down here. Once you click on it, then you swipe to the left till you find the delete button. This is the first way, and this one is actually very stressful. Like, you have to start deleting them one after the other. If you are someone that have a lot of videos on your TikTok, this might take a lot of time to complete deleting all the videos, but I'll be showing you another trick which you can use to delete all these videos once. So what you do now is you go to this three dash up here, this hamburger icon. Once you click on that, come to where you have setting and privacy. So once you click on setting and privacy, so over here you scroll down till when you find activity center. Do you understand? So once you click on activity center, so right over here you look for where you have manage content. I think that's the right word. Manage post visibility. That is the right thing you have to search. So once you search for that, manage post visibility, I guess you can see it right here. So you can see these are all the posts I have on my page. What you do right here is you get to select all those posts you don't want to be made public again. So let's assume I want to delete everything. So once I select everything, then I'll click on next. Once I click on next, then right here I'll select only you. Do you understand? It means I am the only one that will get to see the post. Nobody will see the post again on my profile, including my friends, my followers. Nobody will get to see the post on my profile again. So once I select only you, then right here I'll click on update. We have successfully removed all those posts from our profile. Can you see? It is not showing on our profile again. So whenever someone comes to your page, they will no longer see all these posts on your page again. And that is basically how you go about deleting every post on your page. So if you got value, guys, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.